Hello, this is Dr. Leo at LeTime. Today I want to talk about how to use ADI to do the extraction, including infusion, how do you make infused oil, tincture, honey, vinegar, glyceride, and also how do you make hydrosol and essential oil. When you're making essential oil, you want to have an oil separator like this. I have another video explaining how the oil separator work, and this video I will demonstrate you how to connect ADI with oil separator. It's a very practical video, so after this one you can see how do you make infusion and how do you do the distillation, making the hydrosol and essential oil. ADI is a machine for the herb extraction. It has both the infusion and the distillation. So when we are doing the infusion to make infused oil, the tincture or the vinegar, honey, so everything will be finished in this pot. Normally, one way you can try is by using a small bottle like a mason jar. This is perfect, for making a small amount of infusion. So you mix your herb and the oil, or the ingredients you use like glycerine, vinegar, honey. So mix them together and then put it in the pot and then add water in there. So normally you just do it outside before you put in, and then after you fill it with water, just close it and go to the infusion function and set the time. So the timer you can set from 30 minutes all the way up to 12 hours. Normally like 2 hours is pretty good number, the length of the time. But if you want a very strong infusion, you can do 6 hours up to 12 hours. So all you do is just after you set up the time, and then just turn it on. Just touch the button and it will run by itself, and it will close. It will turn off the whole ADI after the time is reached. So this is about the infusion, and the second part is about the distillation. So you want to make a hydrosol, essential oil, and so the pot, also the place where you're gonna hold your water and herb together. You have options. You can do hydro distillation just by mixing the herb with water together, like you make a rose water. So what I do is dump the rose petal in the pot and pour water in, and then just turn on the distillation and set the time. The time will decide how much hydrosol you will make. If you add just small amount of water, you want a shorter time, obviously. And this is a collector. So this is made by PP plastic. It's a food grade, very strong, chemical resistant material. And this one, so we just collect all the hydrosol in here. And then when you save it, so you just pour them into your container, then you can save it. Also, if you want to make essential oil, this is a small distiller, it's just like a gallon size, 4-liter size, but you have a chance to make a small amount of oil from high oil content herbs like lavender, rosemary. And so what you do is, after you have everything there, you turn on the distillation, and then you're gonna need a oil separator. So the oil separator is a little glassware. What it does is, because normally the oil is lighter, so it will flow on top of the hydrosol. The hydrosol will stay at the bottom. So when you're using it, you close this valve. You close this valve, so the hydrosol will come out from the side. So the hydrosol, because it's heavier, so it will come out from the side, and then you need a bottle to collect it, and the oil will gradually, they collect it here, and then with time you will see, the oil. And the other thing you're gonna need is a little tubing. Is when we using the oil separator, we definitely would need a tubing to lead those distillate into the separator. So I'm using a little stool and to place my oil separator, and then just adjust the height. Just let the tube just put in the top. Remember, just put in this large pot, the main tube. That's where the everything go in, and then based on the density or gravity, so the oil will separate out from the hydrosol. And then just need a container, bottle, whatever you have, and then just put it here. The hydrosol will come out from here. So then that you can collect your hydrosol here, oil will collect here. Of course, some of the hydrosol will stay here. So after finish the distillation, then you gotta use the valve to separate the hydrosol with oil. The oil is top, so you open the valve to drain the hydrosol, and then until the oil touch the valve, and then you close it, and then you switch to another little container for your oil. And also I have another video explaining how to separate the hydrosol and the oil within the separator. Thank you for watching. If you feel it's helpful, like the video, subscribe to the channel, become a member. This is Dr. Leo. See you next time.